Alright, so welcome to Unit 6 project. So the first tab we're going to do is constructing an inscribed equilateral triangle. And I have up the geogebra.org link that is included in the teacher notes of this section. So the first thing we're going to do is step 1, mark a point on your paper. So second from the top, click point. Mark it on our paper. Step 2, place the needle of the compass on that point and draw a circle. Make sure the whole circle fits on this piece of paper. So we select the sixth one to the right and click circle with center through point. We select it and just draw a circle. And now mark a point on the circle and label this point A. Alright, so we're going to label our point that we have name. So we have our point B. Mine are going to be different than what is in the instructions, and this is part of how I'm going to verify this is what's called the construction markings and your labels being the same part of the rubric. So make sure that your point is labeled B. We're going to keep our compass setting for step 3, and we're going to click compass and click the center point and click B. Now we recreated this same sized circle at center B, and we are going to keep it right there, and then we're going to mark our intersections. So second to the right, intersect. Select our 2 intersections. I'm not going to label it. Then we're going to copy our compass again. We want to make this circle again, and now we're going to center it at our intersection point. And then we're going to label this intersection point, and we are going to make sure this one's name is shown. So this is point E. And we're going to copy our circle again. So from our center point to B, there's our circle. We're going to center it at E. Now we're going to label our intersection. And this one needs to be not labeled. So if it is labeled, you click your gray A, light A, and click hidden. So this intersection point will not be labeled. We're going to copy our compass again. Move our circle at centered at this unmarked intersection, and now we're going to mark our intersection and label it. So now we have intersection labels B, E, and G. We are going to connect them by segments. So third to the right, click segments, B to E, E to G, and G to B. Now we have an equilateral triangle. We are to step 8, and now we need to verify the length of this. So we're going to click the 8th one to the right, click distance or length, click point E, click point G, gives us our distance, click G to B, gives our distance for GB, B to E gives the distance for B to E. They are all the same distances or same lengths, and I'm moving them so that I can see my equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle will also have the same angles. So again, we're going to click the 8th one, click angle. We're going to select E, G, B to find the measure angle for angle G, G, B, E to find the angle measure for angle B, and B, E, G to find the measure angle for angle E, and then select our move button, and I want you guys to move your 60 degrees so we can see it. Now you have verified that you created an equilateral triangle and verified that the angles are also all the same. Then I want you to take a screenshot, save this until we finish the next 2 tabs, and then you'll submit each screenshot all at the same time.